Hi, this is Ads Manager of Meta. You have to create first campaign by clicking here create, and if you want to create awareness campaign, traffic, engagement, lead generation, app promotion, and sales. So if you want to create a campaign for lead generation, select leads, continue. Now the campaign name is new leads campaign. Budget type auction remain is same. You can change the daily budget as it is by default set as 1000, and you don't have to change anything. If your campaign is belong to financial product, employment, housing, so you can select here. If campaign is not belong to these categories, leave it as it is, press next. And in the ad set section, the this is the name of the ad set. You can edit it here. Below it, conversion type, conversion location is instant form, website and instant form, website, messenger, and Instagram, WhatsApp. You can select according to you. Here you can select your page. We have multiple page connected with it, so we can select here some page. So if I select this page, you can select your page. Here personal goal, maximum number of leads, let it same as, and rest is same. Here you can edit the location where the ad will run, exclude some location if you want to exclude some state, like we want to exclude Madhya Pradesh. You will get here, select it, and this state will be excluded. Same as any location you can exclude, and move down here, suggest an audience suggestion option is here. You can suggest the age limit, gender, and detailed targeting behavior of the uh, customer for particular customer to whom you want to show this ad. And now press on next. In this section, this is new lead ad section, and here you will see this is page name. Ad setup, you want to add a single page or video, or carousel means group of images in set of 10 cards. Suppose this is a single image campaign, we will upload a image from here. If you had already uploaded some images, that will be shown here. You can select or you can upload a new one from here. I have one sample image is uploaded already, and I have selected one. Now press on next. You can write here description of this ad, and here you can select the button apply now or any other button. Now press next and done. So the image is added, and now we have to instant form. You can here add the chat option on the Instagram. This side will show the ad preview. Here is no form is added. You can create your form by clicking here. Currently I am selecting chat on Instagram, and you can create a form. That form you can select the for the data capturing of the clients. So no form is added here, so you can create, and I am selecting just Instagram inbox, so you can publish here.